Hello! Today we're going to learn how to make a polyline cut for creating a die holder. Let's get started with a quick overview. Start a new project. Create a new body and select the Wacacrite XY plane. Draw two circles with diameters of 25 millimeters and 40 millimeters. Use the paddock tool to extrude the shape and set the height to 16 millimeters. Create the arc cut. Create a Bialbaika new body, and again select the Waikal XY plane. Draw an arc using the center method with a diameter of 2.68 millimeters to form a half circle. Close the wire using a line to complete the sketch. Close the task and click on Pad to extrude it. Create a circular pattern. Switch to the draft workbench. Select Polar Array, set the number of elements to 6, and reset the base point. Click OK. Cut the array from the base. Go to the Part workbench, select both the original body and the array, and perform a Boolean cut. Looks great. Create holes, create another new body, and select the XY plane. Draw a circle with a diameter of 2.47 millimeters. Close the task, then use Pad to extrude and adjust the height as needed. Again, go to the Draft workbench. Select Polar Aura, set the number of elements to 6, and reset the base point. Final cut for holes. In the ePart workbench, select the cut body and the new body, then use Boolean cut it again. Create a step inside the circle. Create a new body and select the XY plane. Draw 2 concentric circles as shown. Use pad to extrude and set the height to 16 millimeters. Transform the part to position it as needed. Select the previous cut body and the new body, then perform another Boolean cut in the Parker's iPart workbench. And that's it. Now you can see the step inside the circular cut. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.